Today on CG Off-Road, we're going to get rid of the factory exhaust on our 2017 Raptor to make it breathe and sound a whole lot better. The F-150 Raptor is a great truck right from the factory, but it's a little bit too quiet for our taste. So today we're going to be installing this aFe Mach XP Catback exhaust on our 2017 Raptor. I have John from aFe. John, what can you tell me about this exhaust?
Well, first, thank you for inviting us out here for this. First off, it's a 304 stainless steel, 3-inch. We Y-pipe into a 3.5 through the muffler. Direct fit, we use barb hangers. We're putting a black, high temp metallic black powder coat to give it a different look than everybody else's. On this particular system, we're doing what we call a high tuck version. It tucks the tips up inside and you see just the tips come out. More of a muscle car look.
Nice. Now, is this color, it looks kind of similar to the color that's on the truck. Is that right? It's kind of a similar...
We tried to match the rear bumper.
Cool.
So, but we also offer it in polished tips, a bare, just raw 304, as well as the black.
Awesome. Let's get to the installation. Tools you'll need for this installation: a lift or a jack and jack stands, 3/8 ratchet, 10mm socket, 13mm socket, 15mm socket, 17mm socket, a 15mm wrench, and a flathead screwdriver. To remove the factory exhaust, we have to start at the back of the truck and work our way front. We're going to start off by removing this hanger right here. Remove the two 10mm nuts. Loosen up the 15mm clamp on both tailpipes. Then both tailpipes can be removed. Rotate this bracket down out of the way and pull off the tailpipe. Do the same thing for the other side. Then loosen up these two clamps right here. Each of them have 15mm nuts. To get to these, you're gonna have to get to them from up top with a ratchet. With both clamps loose, you're gonna slide the muffler towards the rear. The resonator can be removed next. There's two 13mm bolts on the flange side. Loosen the clamp on the passenger side. Now the resonator can slide right off. With the factory system removed, we're going to relocate this muffler hanger to right here. Then you're just going to reinstall these clips right here. Then the bracket. Reinstall your front factory clamp. Then we're going to start off the installation by installing the aFe Y-pipe. The Y-pipe gets secured with the factory bolts and provided nuts. Since we have the longer wheelbase Raptor, we're going to be installing this provided extension pipe. Then the muffler will go onto this. Place a clamp onto the extension pipe. Install your muffler into the rubber hanger and then over the extension pipe. Tighten down the clamp. Install a clamp over the muffler. Then your Y-pipe into the rubber hanger. Then get your Y-pipe into the muffler. Place two clamps over the Y-pipe. Install your passenger side tailpipe. Get it into the rubber hanger. and get it into the Y pipe. To make installing the driver's side tailpipe easier, we're going to remove this hanger. The tailpipe can then be installed. Reinstall the tailpipe bracket along with the tailpipe to secure it. Install the rest of the tailpipe and leave it just like that. Install the hanger on the exhaust tip. Install your exhaust tip. Slide on your hanger and then bolt it to the truck. Leave this loose for now, then we're going to go on to the other tailpipe. Everything's in place. Now we're going to tighten everything down, starting at the front, then working our way back. And your installation's finished. All right, let's hear how it sounds.
So Freddy, what do you think?
Honestly, even though these tips were designed to work on the factory bumper, I'm loving the way they look on our truck, even though we have an aftermarket bumper. Sounds a lot more aggressive too, way better than factory. You can find this aFe exhaust along with other aFe products at cjponyparts.com.